How to install Bluetooth driver in Windows 11. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, go ahead and search for Intel Bluetooth driver. Once you search for it, you can simply go ahead and tap on the first link, or you can tap on the second link that says download software and drivers for Intel. For now, I'm going to go ahead and simply tap on the first link. Once you're here, as you can see, it says driver for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So from here, scroll below and then simply tap on download right over here. Then simply tap on I accept the terms in the license agreement and it will automatically get downloaded. So as you can see, our Bluetooth driver is downloaded. So go ahead and tap onto it. Then simply select I accept the terms in the license agreement and then tap on next again. Now from here, simply tap on install and just like that, you'll then be able to install your Bluetooth driver in Windows 11. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.